Meet Marissa. She's been stealing for a few years now. She knows exactly where to get the good deals. This is her home, a beautiful mix of pieces that create a living space perfect for her family. But at first, she didn't know how to get here. Where do I start? This is going to cost a lot to furnish all of this. I want my home to be filled with character, not just cookie-cutter decor. But how do we go from blank walls to Pinterest ready? Okay, let's grab our morning coffee and take this one step at a time. Enter Decor Steals. Every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Decor Steals offers 3 new daily deal products to bring a beautifully functional piece to add to your home. These deals are only available for 24 hours or until they sell out. So if you love something, grab it quick before someone else does. Each product is carefully curated by our buyers and designers to meet our standards of quality and timeless character. We also collaborate with local artisans and design exclusive products that cannot be found anywhere else. With a little bit of magic and a whole lot of love, we're able to bring these pieces to you at incredibly low prices and only $5 shipping, no matter how gigantic the product is. To be the first in line to grab these quick-selling steals, subscribe to emails and SMS alerts. Bonus, email subscribers get access to extra perks like exclusive steals and special deals. Before you know it, your steal will arrive at your door and you're ready to turn your house into the home you've always dreamed of. Now that your steal has arrived, join the social community. Share your photos with hashtag #DecorStealsAddict and get inspiration by stealers just like you. Happy stealing!